62 Panama Beach, 1097.
1128.
Panama Beach, 1050 Missouri. You're going to be behind Long Beach Waffle House. Missouri 3, Adam Frank Robert 05.
What's up, brother, man? How's it going? How's the fishing?
I wish it was a warmer, but hey.
Yeah, I hear you.
It ain't that bad. It's still beautiful out here.
I hear you. I hear you.
Buddy. How are you?
Pretty good, man. Just making it. Just chilling.
Good day?
So far, so good.
Yeah.
So far, yeah. Not too bad.
That's all you can ask for.
Yeah, exactly.
Wish you were fishing. I got an extra pole.
No, trust me, I'm fine. I wish I was right now, but give me a couple hours and I'll be out here with you.
All right, bro.
I promise.
Like a plan.
Yeah, nobody's giving you a hard time, are they?
No. I'm not giving anybody.
I know, trust that. I'm out here just to make sure you're good and they're good. So.
Yeah, I talked to maybe a couple people, said hi.
A lot of people don't know the laws out here, so
yeah.
I mean,
no, it's okay. And, you know, you came out here very respectful. Yeah. No worries.
No, I'm not. Yeah,
it
you're
happens.
good.
It happens on the regular for me sometimes.
Yeah.
Well,
you think you're gonna get a shark or something?
No. Unfortunately, like a true story. I'm not gonna lie to you about.
No,
this.
yeah, I'm here. I'm listening.
I was in Cocoa Beach.
Okay.
All right, and doing the same. Actually, I was actually fishing for crabs that day.
Nice.
But anyway, long story short, they showed up, and when
law enforcement or
law enforcement.
Oh, okay.
And I turned around and I vaguely thought I saw him point his gun at me.
Really?
And this is before the vest,
but you had the AR with you though.
I had an AR.
Oh, okay.
I was just sitting there in t-shirt and baggies and t-shirts and sandals.
Right.
I don't wear anything but unfortunately from that day, when he directly lied to my face.
Oh, really?
I was like, dude, your gun was, and he's like, oh, I didn't point it at you, but when I got his body cam, that's when you can't lie. The camera don't care about
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The camera's just there.
Camera don't lie. I'm about to say I'm recording.
Yeah.
So I mean,
and that's the thing. It's for your benefit and mine. I can't say I did this, and then you say the camera's just there.
Exactly.
So, but that's when the vest.
First name Robert.
Okay. I haven't seen a vest yet. I've seen guns. I don't, because I do the same thing. If I'm hunting or fishing, I got mine too. But I haven't. So everybody's just like, I mean, I'm scared that something might happen. That he has a vest on. I was like, oh, okay. So who really cares?
I've never had a citizen ever try to mess with me like that.
Right.
But I've had law enforcement point guns at me before and say, you make a move, I'm going to shoot you.
Yeah.
I've had it happen to me a couple times. And when I say, we're almost putting it on two hands at this point.
Yeah.
And, you know, people are scared for my life. And I'm like, well, I got to protect myself, so.
True. I mean, you have that right. That's what's great about this country.
Oh, yeah, I love this country
yeah,
for that,
exactly.
You know? I mean, right now, I see some things the ATF is trying to dabble into, like this thing right here.
Yeah.
I heard it's a memo coming out in June, July, or something like that. That's going to actually give an answer to these braces.
Really?
So, that's
crazy.
These things might go away. I don't know.
Wow. Oh, they already took my bump stocks away. I'm a little upset about that.
It's like, dude, it's a piece of plastic.
Yeah.
You know? It's like, come on now. You know, and same thing with the force reset triggers right now.
Yeah.
They're in the same boat. There's all the things saying they were seized, they weren't seized, they got raided, they didn't get raided.
Yeah.
Right now, the ATF is knocking on their door, so
there is.
they're knocking on their door, so they're coming, dude.
Yeah, I can't. I don't understand why people are trying to. They expect us like, hey, we're gonna start taking people's guns away. All right, but we're gonna have the police officers do it.
Nope.
I ain't taking nobody's guns away because that means they're coming. Y'all coming to take my guns away too. We're gonna have a problem.
We're all in the same boat.
Exactly.
Like, you know, and same thing like with most all politicians.
Yeah.
And even yourself, you all swore an oath to protect this.
Exactly.
Not for all these laws.
Yeah, we're not trying to infringe on it. Yeah.
It's like all these laws, you keep making more, but you're giving us less back.
Yeah.
You know, and Florida's fighting for it. I mean,
that's what I love about Florida right now. I mean, I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, and they're just a little bit too liberal for me, so I had to get out of there. And now I'm fine. I'm glad I'm at this place here because
up the northern half of Florida is a very very conservative.
Yeah, it's weird because when you go down south in Florida, it gets worse. I'm like, what? I don't understand.
Don't ever go to Miami, bud.
I've been a few times for spring break, and I won't be going back.
It's one of those things. I did it. That's it.
Yeah,
I'm over it.
yeah. I say I got that in my system. Let's not do that again.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You go down there on vacation, leave on probation type of stuff sometimes.
Exactly. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, here on spring break, that's how it's gonna be here too. We start cracking down on spring break. Yeah, we start cracking down on spring break, but for those couple, I mean, like what, 2 months out of the whole entire year, just
maybe try
to avoid it. Yeah, I was about to say try to avoid it for 2 months and come back and have a great time.
Yeah.
But
and other than that, Miami, it's just every day down there. So it's like,
exactly. It's insane.
Yeah,
but no, I'm out here looking at the water. It's nice, and then obviously I ignored the first call, ignored the second call, and the third one comes out. I'm like, okay, I'll go out there. I'll go make contact with him. I'll see that he's a cool dude, and I'll freaking go back home, and I'll start.
I'm gonna say you're a cool dude.
Yeah, exactly. I appreciate it.
You know, I've had good, and I always try to start out every interaction. I'm like, hey, what's going on, man?
Which that should be, exactly.
And if I'm actually doing something, hey, you know something, I do the manly thing. If I'm in the wrong, hey, we're gonna do the right thing, and you're gonna do what you have to do because I did the wrong thing. But,
I mean, if I'm fishing or if I'm hunting, I usually am drinking too. So you don't have a beer with you.
I got a freaking Gatorade, dude.
Exactly. That's what I was like. You don't have a beer with you, so now I mean everything you're doing is fine. So hey,
if I'm on my own property, I can drink beer if I want. But
exactly.
I'm out here, no drinking.
Exactly.
I try to steer clear of beer all the way until I get home.
Yeah, that's smart.
And alcohol.
They just.
Or I don't do drugs. I'm just saying guns, alcohol, drugs.
Right.
Those just lead you down.
They don't mix.
Bueno
Yeah. Exactly. I mean, nobody wants to get their life ruined over just a little mistake. So I try to tell people.
16-ounce beer.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly. Exactly, man. Exactly. Well, I'm not gonna take up your time fishing, brother. So you good, man? Yes, sir. Officer Hatley.
Hatley.
Yeah, brother. All right, bud. All right. Nice to meet you, man. You have a good one.
Panama Beach.
55.
Signal 62 Walmart on the east. 10-8 now for you.
1138.
71 Panama Beach. Everything's 10-4, 10-8, no report.
11:39.